Hello everyone, in front of me is Redmi A3 and let me show you how to change system language. First of all, open the settings, then find and select System and click on Languages at the top of the list. Here, click on System Languages, tap on plus to add a language, and now just choose the one that you want to use your device in. Now, actually, this one is not available, so let me slide with Spanish to the first place. Click on Change to a player. And that's it. As you can see, the language has been changed. Then you can remove unnecessary languages by tapping on More icon. Select Remove and mark those languages that you want to remove. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.